Hi everyone, hope you remember me. I am Himanshu Sharma. In my first video, I have explained you the method of substitution method, how to solve a linear equation by the method of substitution. Today I am going to explain you in a separate method that is called elimination method. So let us take an example, that is 11x plus 15y plus 23 equals 0 and 7x minus 12y minus 20 equal to 0. This is number 1 and this is number 2. Okay. In the process of elimination, what you have to do, that is the main part, you have to remove one variable, either one. Yeah, either you think I'll remove x or you can remove y, anything you can, no issue. So if you think that I'll remove x from this part, then what you have to do, you have to multiply the coefficient in the reverse direction. For example, you have to multiply the equation number 2 by 11, because the coefficient of x over x in equation this one is 11, and in the reverse process you have to multiply this equation by 7. Hope you are getting that. Now let me do it. Number 1 into 7 implies that 7 into 11x plus 15y plus 23 equal to 0. This implies 77x plus 105y plus 161 equal to 0. 3. And number 2 into 11. So 11 into 7x minus 2y minus 20 equal to 0. This implies 77x minus 22y minus 220 equal to 0. This is number 4. Now you see the coefficient of x in this equation is 77 and coefficient of x in this equation is 77. Now we are going to eliminate x from these two equations. So for that, what you have to do, you have to subtract 3 from 4 or 4 from 3, any one, not a problem. So I'll do 3 minus 4 implies that 77x plus 105y plus 161 minus 77x minus 22y minus 220 equal to 0 minus 0. This implies, I'll just remove the bracket, 77x plus 105y plus 161 minus 77x plus 22y plus 220 equal to 0. This implies 77x and 77x will be cancelled out, because here it is positive and here it is negative. So 127y plus 381 equal to 0. This two I can add. So 127y equal to minus 381. This implies y equal to minus 381 by 127. So can cancel it by 3, because 3 into 7 is 21, 3 to the 6 plus 2 is 8 and 3 1 is 3. So minus 3. Now substituting the value of y in equation 1 or 2, any one. If you want to substitute the value of y in equation 1, not the issue, you can put anywhere. So I'll put in 1 implies that 11x plus 15 into minus 3 plus 23 equal to 0. This implies 11x minus 45 plus 23 equals 0. This implies 11x minus 22 equal to 0. This implies 11x equal to 22 and x equal to 22 by 11 equal to 2. Therefore, our solution is x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3 is our required solution. Hope you are getting that. Thank you. Now, let us take one more example. Okay, hope you are getting that. Now, let us take one more example. That is 3x minus 7y plus 10 equal to 0. This is number 1. And y minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. This is number 2. So in these two equations also, I have to remove one variable. I have to eliminate one variable. So my preparation is I'll eliminate x. So for that, I'll have to multiply the equation 1 by 2 and the equation 2 by 3, as the coefficient of equation 1 is 3 and the coefficient of equation 2 is 2. So let me do that. So 1 into 2, this implies 2 into thrice x minus 7y plus 10 equal to 0 into 2. This implies 6x minus 14y plus 20 equal to 0. This is number 3. And 2 into 3 into y minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. This implies 0 into 3. This implies 3y minus 6x minus 9 equal to 0. This is 4. Now, here you see the coefficient of x is 6. Here also coefficient of x is 6. But important point is the sign over here is positive and the sign over here is negative. The sign are opposite. In these two, in this kind of equation, what you have to do, you have to add these two equations. You do not have to multiply these two equations. Okay, so what will let me do it. 3 plus 4 implies that 6x minus 14y, 6x minus 14y plus 20 plus 3y minus 6x minus 9 equal to 0 plus 0. This implies This implies 6x minus 14y plus 20 plus thrice y minus 6x minus 9 equal to 0. For that case, 6x and 6x will cancel out. So minus 14y plus thrice y, that is minus 11y. 20 minus 9 is plus 11 equal to 0. This implies minus 11y equal to minus 11. This implies y equal to minus 11 by minus 11 equal to 1. Now again, substitute the value of y in equation 1 or 2. So 2 implies 1 minus twice x minus 3 equal to 0. This implies 1 minus 3, that is minus 2, minus twice x equal to 0. This implies minus twice x equal to 2. This implies x equal to 2 by minus 2, that is minus 1. Hope you are getting that. Therefore the solution is, therefore x equal to minus 1 and y to 1 are the required solution. Okay, so hope you are getting that. Fine. Let us do one more point. Let us see 7 into y plus 3 minus 2 into x plus 2 equal to 14. See, in this equation, this equation is not in the format of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. First, always remember, you have to simplify the equation in the format of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. You have to convert the equation in this kind of format. So for that, what you have to do, 7y plus 21 minus twice x minus 4 equal to 14. This implies 7y minus twice x, 21 minus 4 is plus 17 equal to 14. So you can calculate 7y minus twice x plus 17 minus 14 equals 0. This implies 7y minus twice x plus 3 equal to 0. This is one. Now this equation is ready. And the second equation also, 4 into y minus 2 plus 3 into x minus 3 equal to 2. This equation also you have to simplify that. So 4y minus 8 plus thrice x minus 9 equal to 2. This implies 4y plus thrice x minus 17 minus 2 equals 0. This implies 4y plus thrice x minus 17 equal to 0. Now these two equations are ready. You can solve this equation by the process of elimination. By the process of elimination or process of substitution, anyone. So in the process of elimination, if you want to eliminate y, then you have to multiply the equation number 1 by 4 and equation number 2 by 7. That is your issue. Thank you. Okay. So last one more point. If it is in the fractional part, I will just demonstrate you how you will do. For example, x by 3 plus y by 4 equal to 11. This equation also is not in the format of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. As I told earlier, in my first video also I have already explained that. So for that, you have to take the LCM. Definitely the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So 3 multiplied by 4, x multiplied by 4 plus 4 multiplied by 3, y multiplied by 3 equal to 11. This implies 4x plus thrice y equal to 11 into 12. This implies 4x plus thrice y equal to 132. and 6x by 5x by 6 minus y by 3 equal to minus 7. This implies also the LCM of 6 and 3 is definitely 3. So 6 into 1, 5x into 1 minus 3 into 2, y into 2 equal to minus 7. This implies 5x minus twice y equal to minus 7 into 6. This implies 5x minus twice y equal to minus 42. This implies 5x minus twice y plus 42 equal to 0. This is number 2. Okay, so hope you are getting that. Okay, so many thanks for watching my video, and again I am requesting kindly subscribe my video and share it maximum to your friends. Kindly give me a comment whatever you feel, and I'll come with my next video, that is the cross multiplication method and the alteration method. I will show you in my next video. Many thanks for watching. Thank you.